Hello everyone. I will discuss the topic prepositions at in on to talk about time. It is prescribed in the Guru Nanak Dev University syllabus of BA, BSc, BCom of compulsory English paper. Whenever we talk about some action, two things are very important. When does this action happen and where does this action take place? In other words, we have to talk about time and place of an action. In English senses, time and place expressions are introduced mainly with the help of three prepositions. In today's video, we will learn how to use these three prepositions to talk about time. These three prepositions are at, in, on. So let's go. Our first preposition is at. At is used to talk about four types of time. First is clock time. For example, his day begins at 4 am. Our class begins at 9 o'clock. We will meet for lunch at 2 pm. I will be back at 6. Movie ends at 8 pm. At is also used to talk about meal times. For example, we will meet at breakfast. I saw her at lunch. Don't fight at dinner. I will talk to you at brunch. Third, at is also used to talk about age. For examples, everybody is full of energy at 18. He started working in a factory at 16. She completed her graduation at 20. Last, at is also used to talk about periods of time. For example, I couldn't sleep at night. Here it must be understood that night refers to the period of time. It is usually between 8 pm to 4 am. We enjoyed greatly at the weekend. Here weekend refers to the period of time beginning from Saturday and ending on Sunday. Next preposition is in. In is used to talk about three types of time. First one is units of time, such as seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, decades, centuries. Let us see some examples. I will come in a few seconds. The lunch will be ready in 10 minutes. In 3 hours, the police solve the case. You will be alright with this medicine in 2 days. I learned to drive car in 5 weeks. Our exams will begin in March. Corona hit the world in 2020. Internet became very popular in the 1990s. In the 21st century, global warming will increase. In is also so describes seasons. For example, flowers bloom in spring. We will learn French in the next summer. Students study hard in winters. In autumn, birds migrate to warm countries. Third, in is also used to talk about different parts of the day. For example, we will go for a walk in the morning. Old people usually take rest in the afternoon. Birds return to their homes in evening. Our next and last preposition is on to talk about time. On is used to talk about two times of time. First one is dates. For example, my birthday is on July 30. India got an independence on 15th August 1947. Next, in is also used to talk about days such as weekdays, special days, festivals. For example, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Diwali, on Holi, on Christmas, on my marriage anniversary, on her birthday. Let us see some senses. They are going for an educational trip on Monday. We will have a lot of fun on Holi. I invited my friends and relatives on my birthday. I hope that after watching this video, you must have learned the appropriate use of at, on, in to talk about time. Well, practice is very important in grammar. It is said that practice makes man perfect. So let's practice all that we have learned. Fill in the following blanks with at, in, or on. It is too hot, blank, summer. I go to bed late, blank, night. The picnic is planned, blank, Sunday. Storm is coming, blank, 10 minutes. The party starts, blank, 10:30. Mothers are generally very busy, dash, the morning. Children get new clothes, dash, Diwali. Birds fill the sky with their songs, dash, sunrise. I will come back, dash, a few days. My dance classes are scheduled, dash, Saturdays. I, I hope that you all must have filled the blanks. Let us see the answers now. It is too hot in summer. I go to bed late at night. The picnic is planned on Sunday. Storm is coming in 10 minutes. The party starts at 10:30. Mothers are generally very busy in the morning. Children get new clothes on Diwali. Birds fill the sky with their songs at sunrise. I will come back in a few days. My dance classes are scheduled on Saturdays. This was all for today's video. Thank you.